Okay, this is a quick demonstration on a G-Boost dual motor scooter. It's the 48 volt 25 amp wiring. So I didn't get a wire diagram with this, and these are the old ones, and obviously they've been tampered with. There's a few wires cut, and I think it was controller B, which is this one, was faulty. So instead of getting a new one of the controller B, I decided to replace them both to these two. So the connections a bit different. So this one's got two display connectors on there. So I believe one of the display connect to this one, and the other controller connects to this one. So let's get rid of these. I'm gonna upgrade it to this LCD. It looks a lot nicer than the older version of the display throttle. So I'll be putting this one on. So I'm gonna go ahead and click these in first, where it's all matched up. Okay, so that's just pretty simple. So I'll connect the motor. Connect the back. So this would be the display, and this would be for the key, which is this one. So on here, the green on this one will be the positive, and black the ground, and this other red one would be like the signal. So if you look, red, green, black, black, red, red, like so. This normally come with these pins, disconnect, but I've put the pins together so make it more easier for this video. So that clicks straight in like so, and look, as you can see, there's a brown one just came out. So it's just poor manufacture, should I say, poor manufacture. So this is the thing sometimes with these controller or displays or anything like that, you have to prepare to be doing some form of soldering or something, because scooters is not a quick fix. It's not a quick repair. There's always some form of like complication along the way. Yeah, so that should hold it. Stronger than it was before. Hooks the clip on the inside so it doesn't fall out, and it goes in like one direction. Oh, okay. So that clip will be going in this way. Like so. And then yeah, another manufacturer fault. This okay, so let's try this. Okay. Turn that key on. And got some sort of power. Okay, so as you can see, that wheel, the rear wheel's spinning the right way, and the front wheel is spinning the wrong way. So in this occasion, I'll swap these two around, these two phase wire. And hopefully that will solve the issue. And going the right way now. Okay, so it's making that noise because it's catching somewhere.